First step is delivering the hardwood and plywood into the home. Before acclimation begins, we check the moisture content of both materials with a professional meter. But once verified, we photograph and document the readings for quality assurance. Next, we protect the home. Built-in cabinets and AC unit returns are covered with plastic in addition to our dustless systems for added control. The furniture is carefully moved into the garage for safe storage. Then we demo and haul off the existing carpet along with the old shoe mold, which will later be replaced by new or stain trim to match the baseboards. Before starting, we test the concrete slab. It must be under 4% before we can proceed. This ensures a solid, lasting foundation for the new hardwood floor.